our GK class, and today we will learn about the wonders of the world. Today we will learn about wonders of the world. What is wonder? The what are wonders of the world? These wonders of the world, that means these are some famous historical places with great importance. Keep your full concentration in this class. Either you will not get the information what I am sharing. Okay. Number one, first, see the picture. This picture is, which one is? The Great Wall of China. This picture is the Great Wall of China. This Great Wall of China, it is situated in China, you already know that. This is 4,000 miles long wall is made by man, and it is the till now it is the longest wall made by man. Okay, longest wall made by man, and this wall is made with stone and earth fortification. Stone and earth fortification. This wall was created to protect the Chinese border, protect the Chinese empire from the Mongols. That time in history there were few tribes or few we can say kingdom or few ruler. The Mongol was one of them. Okay. See the next picture. This is Taj Mahal. This picture is Taj Mahal. It is situated in India, in our country. It is situated in our country in Agra. And this beautiful palace, that Taj Mahal, it already means the crown of palace. Taj Mahal, crown of palace, and it is the most beautiful palace in the whole world, we can say. And this palace is built with ivory white marble, and that time it cost almost 20 crores, almost 20 crores or more than 20 crores. And this palace was built by Emperor Shah Jahan for his beloved wife Mumtaz. This palace is situated in the bank of river Yamuna. Okay, and Yamuna, you know, it is beside Agra. The Yamuna river is flows beside Agra. So this is the most beautiful palace. It is actually a tomb of Shah Jahan's beloved wife Mumtaz and also Shah Jahan. Shah Jahan and Mumtaz, after death, their body was buried there in this palace. See this picture. This is the statue of Christ the Redeemer. In Jesus Christ, we can say there are many symbols of Jesus Christ, many poses of Jesus Christ. The Christ with the word, the Christ with his open hand, and this picture is the Christ with open hand, and this statue is named Christ the Redeemer. This statue is situated in Rio de Janeiro, or we can say in Brazil. It is 130 feet long, and this statue is made of concrete and soapstone, and it is a cultural icon for both Rio de Janeiro and Brazil. This is the information I have to share with you about this statue. Okay. Okay. Next, look at this picture. This is Machu Picchu, or you can say Machu Picchu. C is sometimes C is silent. Machu Picchu or Machu Picchu. This is an Incan city made of sparkling granite, and it is situated at Peru. Only this much information I had about this place. Look at this picture. This is the picture of Petra city. Petra. This is the picture of a Petra city. City is situated at the southern part of Jordan. It is popularly famous for the capital city of Nabatean kingdom. Okay, this much information for this city. Next, look at this picture. This is the front view of the place, and this is the inside view of the place. Okay, this is an amphitheater. So this place is situated in Italy, Rome, Rome in Italy, and this oval place is an amphitheater. Next, look at this picture. This picture name is Chichen Itza, or you can say Chichen Itza is the best. Chichen Itza. This archaeological place is located in Mexico. This is the oldest city of Maya dynasty. Now in your book, already you learned all those pictures, you already saw those pictures. Now in your book you just have to put the name of this picture. You get little bit information of every place of among these 7 worlders. You get the information, few information, not a lot, not a huge information, but few information you get. You just remember those information. If it is possible, then write down somewhere to remember, or if your brain is that much strong, then you don't have to write anything, and just write down the names of these pictures in your book. Okay, thank you for today.